Hello everybody, welcome to first ever programming video. That's all. So today we are making Flappy Bird. Flappy Bird, as you all know, is this wondrously annoying game. Look it up. Flappy Bird. You can see this is Flappy Bird, obviously. I use Edge because Microsoft makes me use Edge. Chrome is horrendously slow for me on this computer. So, we're going to start it. That one in the background was a failed one. Kept on hitting the end record button instead of the record button. So we're going to set up the function. Write a setup function. Let's make the size arbitrary 600 by 600. Void draw. This is processing Java. Link will be in the description along with the link to all the code that I write. Also, what I'm doing on screen should be behind me it should be behind me at all times. So let's set the background to be a 0, 187 by 255. We're also going to do surface dot set title to be Flappy Bird. I should set the title to be Flappy Bird. Yeah. So this is what we have right now. Pretty amazing. Where would I put it? Yeah, it's over there. Should be over there. If it's over there, then I'll look like an idiot. It's over there. Why should you put down silent? So we're going to create a new tab for bird. Then we're going to create a new class called bird. No, we don't need that. Then we're going to create some global functions x, y, g equals 0.2, and r for radius. Then we're going to create this constructor. Yeah, I think that's how you do it. Float xb, float yb. The b is just so that it's different from these, so we can keep those names. And then a float rb. So you have x equals xb, y equals yb, and r equals rb. Perfect. Then we're going to do a void render. We're going to fill 255, 100, 100. Beautiful. Now we're going to set that to be 255 too, so that it's a nice, beautiful yellow. Then we're going to do a void gravity and a void input. I'm going to be adding these in later, so then we're going to create a bird equals new bird at 300 by 10 at a size of 15. And then we're going to do bird.render, bird.gravity, and bird.input. Then we're going to see our beautiful bird that is not there. What did I do? What did I do? I didn't make it. We're going to create a new ellipse at that location with the R values and the Y values, and there's our beautiful bird. It almost resembles Flappy Bird. Almost. Now, we're going to create the gravity. By far the most annoying part about Flappy Bird is the gravity. So, we're going to do that, then Y plus equals G. Perfect. Then the input. If key press, no, we're gonna think ahead. Key pressed or mouse pressed, and okay, where's it? And G is greater than 1. Just so that you can't hold down a button and go up like this, but you'll go up like this. So you should see it functioning in right after I do G then equals -4. Now let's run this beautiful program, and as you can see, it is beautiful and it's working. Beautiful. Okay, now go to new tab, pipe, then void, no, not void, class pipe. Okay. Button. Then we're going to create some functions like x, y. So our pipe looks like this, right? Like this, right? So what we're gonna do is this value. So let's just call it D1 and D2. Why is it? Yeah. Okay, so D1 is going to determine the top half. No, wait. D1 is going to determine this for the first. No, why am I doing this? We only need D distance. So it's going to determine where in this it's going to go. So we're going to create a random spot right here. So that's what D determines. Or it could be all the way up here, or it could be all the way down here. That's basically all D does. So then we're going to create the function, or the constructor actually. This is a constructor. And as we did before, xb float, yb float. I don't need that. Oh yeah, I do. Then float speed s. So x equals xb, not sb, xb, y equals yb, and of course s equals bb. I'm just gonna say that the B stands for before, so then I can do that. Well, I already told you. So next we're gonna do the render. As always, we're gonna do the render after I put in the rest of these. After render, it's gonna be movement. Then we're going to do collision. It's nice about collision, is it? Or maybe. Oh, and we're also going to take in a bird. So, bird B. B equals BB. We're going to set this to be BB. Perfect. Now we have a bird. So it can get like a b.x and stuff. We can also alter those values. We're going to use the b.x for the collision function, which I'm not writing right now. I'm going to write the render. So we're going to fill this in as 255. Just wait for now. I'm going to change it later. No, I'm going to change it to 56. Yeah, 56. Then I'm going to write a function rect 0. Wait, this is x. Why I don't need a y. Wait, y equals 0. I don't need a y. I don't need a y. Then y. Why did I write xb? It's just x. So it's x, y, You just have it this way be 5 for now. And then this is going to go, wait, I need to set this d equals random 10 bar. So this is going to determine the top for now. So we're going to have the hole be around 100. So hole around 100. Px. We're going to set this to be 50 pixels. Px stands for pixels. So we're going to have it go all the way down to 450. Beautiful. Then we go down to D. Okay. Then we draw another function, same x, but this time y is to 5. And it goes all the way down to width. No wait, it goes all the way down to height. This is going to go down to height, just so that you guys can change the size. So this is going to go down all the way to height minus 960. Okay, so then we're going to y plus b. No wait. So b plus 50. What? D plus 50. There you go. Now, I didn't put it in yet. Some of that, yeah, that's on me. Pipe 1 equals new pipe. I'm gonna have more than one pipe so that they can loop around like that. We're gonna set this to be at, I don't know, 400 at, what is it, speed and a bird. Beautiful. Then we're gonna do, this has to be before, so pipe dot render pipe dot movement. What is it? Yeah, just movement. Then pipe 1. Sorry. Pipe 1 dot collision. Beautiful. Now let's run it. Never mind. Oh, come on, that came off. Now let's run it. Yeah, as you can see, that has appeared. I can also see that 50 is too small. It's great. Let's run it again. See, it's still at the same spot. Again. Okay. We are just going to do 600 minus 60. We're just going to do 450 because why not? Beautiful. See, it's all the way down. It's all the way down now. It's at the bottom. See, it's all the way at the bottom now. I've been recording. I have been recording for 13 minutes. So, now that we have done that, we're going to move this to just off the screen, 610. Then we're going to do something beautiful called animation. X plus equal S. If X is less than 0, okay, then we're going to put X equals what was it? 610. Wonderful. Let's watch it. Or not watch it. What? What? What happened? 10. It's just 10. What? Where is it? Why? Oh. There is no S. This is the wrong function. S equals BB. So, I'm just gonna manually set the S to 5. See if that fixes it. No? No, it's still off screen. Why is it still off screen? Seriously, why is it still off screen? It should be moving forward. Yeah, 5.0 movement. Maybe does this have to be behind render for some reason? I don't see why. Still no. Still no. What? Why isn't it? Why isn't it showing up? So x equals 610. But that's only if x is less than 0. So, this is still one function. X plus equals 5, so it should be adding 5 onto it. It's equal to 610. Let's set it to 500. Just so that we can at least see it. Oh, it's going the wrong direction. Of course it is. Of course it's going in the wrong direction. I feel so stupid now. Oh, it's obviously going to go in the wrong direction. Okay, so let's pretend that this game works. Where's my character? Hey, it worked! So let's create another pipe. Let's try this. So we're gonna create pipe 2. Okay, so pipe 2 is now a thing. So pipe 2, everything pipe 2. But this is going to be a 660. Now let's watch it. What happened to the bird function? Oh, that doesn't look good. We're going to put this at another 600, half of 600, so 910. Let's watch it. Why my character not work? Hey. Okay, so now it should pop up back over there. Oh yeah, now let's see the other one. Come on, other one. Come on. Hey, it worked! So this works. So this has been 18 minutes of me programming. If you're watching, if you made it to this long, you obviously like programming. You should consider subscribing because this channel is all about programming. You should also leave a like, it helps out the channel a lot. But if you didn't, also hit the like button, because it totally doesn't help the channel, obviously. Also, if you haven't, please make sure to hit the notification bell icon, and the playlist for the series will be down in the description once I get around to it. So, I hope you guys had a good time, and goodbye!